Beth Jones with BethJones.net, and I'm standing outside my house where there is so much snow. There's like several feet. I don't think I've ever seen this much snow in Missouri since I've lived here for 20 years. It's falling all over the U.S. with over 6,000 flights canceled, coffee shops and stores closing, and businesses are really hurting. And the people that are daring to get out on the road are sliding off the roads. Fox News said for crews struggling to clear the snow-choked roads, the task has become more difficult with each storm because there's less room to put all the snow. Wow, it is wild. Hear that? Well, I just wanted to share with you that when the task becomes difficult in the storm, what we need to do is wait on God, listen for His still small voice, and get direction from Him. And we can push with prayer, pray until something happens. The snow is beautiful, but it can also be very dangerous. So we need wisdom from God. The book of James says to pray for liberal wisdom. And I just wanted to share that bit of encouragement with you, also to show you the snow here in Missouri. So stay warm, stay safe, and thanks for stopping by today at www.BethJones.net.